Royal Challengers Bangalore and Mumbai Indians have been two star-studded teams in the IPL. The two giants have had some of the most entertaining matches in IPL history. These two teams have had the biggest fan following and are the two most popular sides of IPL. The two teams have played 27 matches and Mumbai has won 18 out of them. Who makes the fantasy 11 of this fixture? Let's find out. Quinton de Kock. Quinton de Kock is an explosive opening batsman and wicketkeeper. He averages 51 against RCB. His IPL best 108 also comes against the Kohli-led side. He is also an exceptional wicketkeeper and he will massively create an impact on this game. Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma is one of the best batsmen in the world. After having played a sublime knock in the previous game, he would expect to play equally good. His record against Royal Challengers Bangalore is great and is thus the captain of this 11. Surya Kumar Yadav. Surya Kumar Yadav has proved to be a key middle order batsman for Mumbai Indians ever since he joined the squad. His ability to play blistering knocks in crucial situations makes him a key player, and this earns him a spot in R11. Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli holds the record of the all-time highest run getter in IPL. Once he gets going, it is nearly impossible to stop him. His ability to single-handedly win games and his exceptional skills make him the best batsman in IPL and grants him the spot of the vice-captain of R11. Aaron Finch. The destructive Australian opener Aaron Finch has always been a promising player. His skill and his ability to strike the ball a long way makes him an explosive batsman and he will be a player to watch out in this game. This gives him the 5th spot in R11. Devdutt Padikkal. Devdutt Padikkal's sensational knock in his debut game speaks volumes of his potential. He is a magnificent stroke player and if given a chance, he has the ability to turn matches around real quick in the power play overs. This makes him our 6th pick. Hardik Pandya. Hardik Pandya is a key all-rounder for Mumbai Indians. He can bowl well in crucial times and his massive strike rate of over 150 shows how well he hits the ball. He can turn around matches with both his explosive batting and bowling and is a live wire on the field. This grants him a slot in R11. Shivam Dube. Shivam Dube has been a promising all-rounder. Giving away just 19 runs in 2 games and picking 4 wickets is just a mere illustration of his massive potential. We believe that this would be the game which he will impact greatly. Rahul Chahar. Rahul Chahar has constantly performed for his team. His economy rate of just 6.90 speaks volumes of his skills. He is a wicket taker and can contain runs very well and is likely to perform well on any given track and on any given stage. This ability of his makes him our 9th pick. Yuzvendra Chahal. Yuzvendra Chahal has been one of the best bowlers this season so far. His wicket-taking ability and his match-winning performance in the previous RCB win was exemplary. He knows how to contain runs and will play a key role in RCB's performance this match. Navdeep Saini. Our final pick for this 11 is the RCB speedster Navdeep Saini. His pace and his ability to create variations in his pace makes him hard to score against. His Yorkers and his brilliant line helped RCB win their opening match, and a similar performance would be expected from him this game. These are the 11 players who we believe will create the most impact on this game. Who do you think will grab the most fantasy points this game? Let us know down below.